All right, let's check a diode without having any high voltage. So as you can see, we have our meter set to volts DC. We have the positive lead connected to our red meter. We have our negative off of our battery going to one side of our diode. If we touch the diode, we're getting 0 volts. If we reverse the diode, touch the lead again, 5.7 volts, 5.69 volts. That diode is good, and we didn't do anything with high voltage. A 9-volt battery can test your high voltage diodes. Now let's switch over and do a microfarad test on a capacitor. Switch our meter over to our microfarads. We need to safely discharge it. We're good there. We take our meter leads to each side, and we're getting 0.922 microfarads. This one actually reads 0.91 microfarads. It's a little hard to see. So we know our capacitor is good. Quick, simple ways for checking high voltage components on a microwave.